You look like Cinderella. Look at the flower. Or this one is called butterfly.
What the meaning?
Butterfly. Butterfly. 1, 2, oh, we go na gomba. Butterfly. Why do you send me? Sending me, I send you. Butterfly. I want the master naka go. You are now butter. I'm flying. Look at the penguin. After you went to that native, they say go and get the visa. When you go there, they fail you.
Yes.
Did they give you visa?
No, I eat my money. No, they eat my money.
They eat your money.
Yes.
Go again. You people abandon Christ, misbehaving. Come here, let me just give you this. We will not be in Nigeria. Amen. This is your dream.
Amen.
I saw you want to enter Australia.
Australia, yes, sir.
Australia.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, Bodum. You want to enter Australia?
Yes, sir.
Australia is an Australia. They are the same. Sonyata. Australia and Australia, all of you. All area. Australia and Australia.